In this lesson we're going to look at a way which makes it very easy playing the Dorian mode by altering a pentatonic scale which everybody knows, or borrow a pentatonic scale from another key. In a blink of an eye you can change the sound of a straight minor pentatonic scale to that smooth, jazzy Latin Dorian sound. But also for rock it will be an asset of great value. This musical idea is called the Dorian Pentatonic Concept. So let's dive into the Dorian mode to understand what it is and how it sounds. The Dorian mode is nothing more than a plain minor scale with a sixth note raised. First we're going to look at the normal minor scale, the natural minor scale. And this is how the A minor scale is built. As I said before, the Dorian mode is a minor scale with a sixth degree raised. So A Dorian will look like this. You can see the note F is raised to F sharp. Now, this note F sharp not only affects the melody when you improvise, but also the chords you can use. In A minor we have these chords we can use: A minor, B minor flat 5, C major, D minor, E minor, F major and G major. A typical 1-4-2-5 chord progression will sound like this. In A Dorian, the chords change due to the raised sixth note F sharp. So we have A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E minor, F sharp minor flat 5 and G major. And by adding the seventh to each chord, the Dorian mode gets even more profound. We have A minor 7, B minor 7, C major 7, D 7, E minor 7, F sharp minor 7 flat 5 and G major 7. The same 2-4-5-1 progression would sound like this. Strange enough, in rock, blues and jazz, the Dorian mode is used more often than the natural minor scale. So now we take a look at our pentatonic scale, a scale that uses 5 notes from the natural minor scale: A, C, D, E and G. As you can see, the second note B and the sixth note F are omitted. So the note F isn't there at all and will not interfere with our raised sixth note F sharp in the Dorian mode when we use this scale for improvising. Conclusion: you can use the minor pentatonic scale over a Dorian progression without any problems whatsoever. But we do not capture the Dorian mode if we do not play that specific note F sharp that triggers the Dorian mode. So the plain minor pentatonic scale doesn't trigger the Dorian mode, although it's a legit scale to use. Solution: add the note F sharp to the minor pentatonic scale and voila! We have our familiar pentatonic pattern with a small addition to create that typical Dorian sound in a super easy manner. If we do that, we could play something like this. So, modal playing doesn't have to be all that complicated, and that is what this concept proves. Another way to create a Dorian sound based on the pentatonic scale pattern is playing the minor pentatonic scale from the second degree. In A minor, the second note is the note B, so we can play B minor pentatonic over A Dorian. If we look at the B minor pentatonic scale, we'll notice that all the notes fit nicely in the A Dorian scale. And it has also the raised sixth note F sharp. Therefore, we can use the minor pentatonic scale of the second degree. Again, super easy and easy to remember. So the Dorian Pentatonic Concept is a very convenient way to create a modal sound with easy scale patterns you already know. I say, have fun with this guide and I'll see you next time!